This tutorial explains how to use the Accelerometer Data Window. The Accelerometer Data Window displays data from any connected accelerometers in a graphical format. The x-axis is time, and the y-axis is acceleration in g. During a live inspection, the graph will update in real time. Previously recorded inspections, such as the one used for this tutorial, will display the entire history of the acceleration data. Each accelerometer is assigned a unique color. This color is used as the graph color for the accelerometer so that you know which accelerometer produces which response. In this inspection, accelerometer 1001 is assigned the color cyan. Accelerometer 1002 is assigned the color magenta, and accelerometer 1003 is assigned the color blue. To zoom into a specific area of the graph, hold the left mouse button down and create a rectangle with the mouse. All of the graphs are linked, so all of the graphs will zoom into the area you have created. You can zoom in as many times as you require. When you are zoomed in, you can use the scroll bar at the bottom of the accelerometer data window to move through time at the current zoom level. To undo a zoom, right-click the mouse and select Undo Zoom. Alternatively, you can click the Reset button in the Graph toolbar to reset the view of the accelerometer data window to the entire inspection. The accelerometer data window has a context menu with the options of Show Point Values, Undo Zoom, Snap, and Add Manual Exception. The context menu is available when you right-click the mouse in the accelerometer data window. The Show Point Values option in the context menu will display the point value x and y of the graph that is under the mouse cursor. This is a toggled option. As discussed previously, the Undo Zoom option in the context menu will undo the last zoom operation. If the graph has not been zoomed, this option will not do anything. The Snap option in the context menu is only available when the mouse is near an exception. Clicking on Snap will focus all three data windows, GPS, accelerometer, and exception, to that exception's time and position. The Add Manual Exception allows you to add a manual exception to the inspection. You have the option of entering a memo about this manual exception. The toolbars above the accelerometer data window can be used to manipulate the view. The first toolbar on the left toggles the data by accelerometer. As an example, clicking on the blue icon, the color designated for accelerometer 1003, and selecting None, removes those accelerometer's exceptions from all of the data windows. The graph for accelerometer 1003 is also removed from the accelerometer data window. Clicking on the blue icon and selecting the performance standard adds the accelerometer's exceptions back into the data windows. The accelerometer graph is also added back into the accelerometer data window. Clicking on the yellow icon, the color designated for manual exceptions, toggles the visibility of manual exceptions. The GIS toolbar only affects the GPS data window. As discussed previously, the Reset button of the Graph toolbar will display an overview of the entire inspection in the accelerometer data window. The X button toggles the accelerometer's x-axis data. The Y button toggles the accelerometer's y-axis data. And the Z button toggles the accelerometer's z-axis data. Each accelerometer is assigned a button in the Graph toolbar that allows you to remove the graph from the accelerometer data window or view the graph as either raw data or filtered data. By default, the accelerometer data window displays the filtered acceleration data. To change this for a particular accelerometer, click on the drop-down arrow next to the accelerometer's assigned color. Click None to hide the graph. Click Raw to show the raw acceleration data, and click the filter to show the filtered acceleration data. The window toolbar allows you to select an area in the accelerometer data window for reporting and analysis. Click on the Select Area button. Then, hold down the left mouse button and create a rectangular area with the mouse. The corresponding area is also depicted in the GPS data window. To remove the area, simply left-click the mouse button in the accelerometer data window. Since this is the same action used for zooming in, click on the Select Area button again to clear this mode. You will now be able to zoom again while maintaining your analysis area. Reporting and analysis will be covered in other tutorials.